Thank you, Hila. Happy to join you virtually from Honda Innovations headquarters in Silicon Valley. Honda Innovations is a unique Honda company. We are responsible for open innovation at Honda, driving collaboration externally with partners and internally through transformative intercompany initiatives. Honda Accelerator is our flagship program, central to our mission of driving change through partnerships. Honda Accelerator was designed for startups and technology and business innovators of all shapes and sizes. We maintain a global reach with satellite offices throughout North America, Europe, China, Japan, and right here in Israel. We've had a presence in Israel for over 5 years. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our local partners, Drive and Our Crowd, for the continuous support and fruitful collaboration through engagement with Israeli innovation ecosystem. And a very warm and special thank you to the Israeli government and the organizers of the Prime Minister's Smart Mobility Conference 2021. I'm honored to be here and so happy the summit is back. What I'd like to share today is a peek at the future of mobility through Honda's lens. Recently, Mr. Toshihiro Mibe, Honda's new president and CEO, presented his vision toward 2050. In fact, Mr. Mibe visited Israel only a few months before he took the office. Let me share some of these 2050 targets with you today. Honda strives to be a company that society wants to exist. This is not our vision. It's a deep belief about our reason to exist in the first place. We believe we are responsible for applying our innovations in ways that empower people, making our communities and the world a better place. How can we answer a big question then? How can we be a company that society wants to exist? The environment and safety are our core value propositions and aspects Honda is well known for. They represent both the most grand and challenging scale, our whole planet's environment, and the most singular, each person's life. I'm certain people wonder when they see visuals like this, is it just PR? In fact, we start so many of our internal business strategy and technology development presentations like this, always keeping these values as our guiding light. We believe that striving to eliminate environmental impact and protecting precious human lives are essential answers to our big question. We aim to be carbon neutral by 2050. And as I said, our deeply held belief is that society should want our company, not just our products, to exist. This goal is for both products and all corporate activities. You might say that we believe we must walk the walk if we are going to talk the talk. When it comes to safety, our target is that traffic collisions involving Honda automobiles or motorcycles will no longer be fatal. These are the important goals for products and technology verticals. While achieving these environmental and safety targets, we aim to lead advancements in the areas of mobility, power units, energy, and robotics. More than just decreasing emissions at the tailpipe, our efforts for carbon neutrality by 2050 will strive for a circular or resource recycling society that aims for zero environmental impact. To realize such a society, Honda will focus on the following areas as 3 pillars of our initiatives: carbon neutrality, clean energy, and resource circulation. Our zero environmental impact target is not only our products, but the entire product lifecycle, including our corporate activities. In addition to the electrification of our motorcycle and automobile products, we will expand the range of user-friendly electrified products with our Honda Mobile Power Pack swappable battery system. Also, we will expand utilization of renewable energy by enabling infrastructure-linked smart power operations with charging these products. Moreover, we will be proactive in promoting the utilization of hydrogen in addition to electricity, as various scenarios are possible for the future expansion of the use of renewable energy. In the long run, we will strive to realize multi-pathway of energy, which is a concept of utilizing a wide variety of energy sources, including carbon neutral fuels that will be effective in all areas, including areas where electrification is a challenge, such as aircraft. We believe that this concept will become the basis of energy use that supports the pursuit of a society with zero environmental impact. Furthermore, including more effective ways to reuse and recycle batteries, Honda is pursuing research on material recycling and will take on the challenge of developing products made from 100% sustainable materials. I'll talk about how electrification of our automobile products support all of these efforts. It is difficult to have a clear future prospects for popularization of electrified vehicles because different regions have different characteristics, such as a level of customer acceptance, readiness of infrastructure, and availability of renewable energy. And such characteristics are changing rapidly. However, as an automaker, it is our responsibility to achieve our carbon-free goal on a tank-to-wheel basis. To this end, Honda will strive to increase the ratio of EVs and FCVs within overall unit sales in all major markets of electrification combined to 40% by 2030, to 80% by 2035, and then to 100% globally by 2040. These are challenging targets, and to attain these targets, we must put forth a collective effort of our entire value chain, from development to production, sales, reuse, and recycle. These are various challenges we need to address, with the following as some of the examples. Procurement of batteries, including raw materials, accommodating the new kinds of automobile manufacturing made possible by the advancement of digital technologies in addition to electrification, addressing changes in our business environment, which we expect to continue in years to come. Now, let's move on to detail on our safety targets. As a manufacturer of mobility products that people entrust with their lives, safety is the challenge we must resolve. Based on this belief, Honda has determined to strive for zero traffic collision fatalities involving Honda motorcycles and automobiles globally by 2050. The major challenge we will face as we work toward this goal is how to eliminate motorcycle collision fatalities, especially in emerging countries. In the current situation where we struggle even to collect accurate accident data, we must say that the hurdle we have to clear is extremely high. However, we have a social responsibility as the biggest manufacturer and seller of motorcycles in the world. By taking on this challenge, Honda wants to increase the overall safety of society and create a safe world in which everyone who shares the road can coexist with peace of mind. And we want to be the generator of such transformation of society. In terms of expanding the range of our safety technologies, since many motorcycle collision fatalities involve automobiles, we will strive to apply our omnidirectional ADAS and advanced driver assistance system we envision beyond the current Honda sensing to allow new automobile models we introduce in major markets by 2030. By leveraging the knowledge and know-how we have built through research and development of our Level 3 automated driving technologies, which we recently began sales in Japan, we will further enhance the intelligence of ADAS system. Today's mobility ecosystem is highly complex, as you know. The mobility ecosystem of the future is even more complex and interconnected. As Honda, we are dreaming big with the environment and safety in mind. We know that we cannot go at this goal alone, which while we have a clear vision and ambitious targets, partnerships will be essential tool. Honda Innovations and our Honda Accelerator program welcome all Israeli innovators and supporters to join us. Thank you.